What's up sa inyo mga karodi? At sa lahat ng mga madlang people at dabarkads, simulan na natin ang vlog number 11, part 1. Samahan mo ko mga karodi, Dexter and Angel, the wedding. Tara na, here we go. Sim, let's go. Background music and singer, pasok.
The camera captures our love, like the whole world is blessing us now. In a white dress, dancing so free, you and me, our wedding memories. Standing with you, a smile so shy, a little nervous, but your eyes shine bright. My heart is filled with words unsaid, so I make a vow inside my head. The camera captures our love, like the whole world is blessing us now. In a white dress, dancing so free, you and me, our wedding memories. Took my time to find the perfect gown. Today's the day I wanna shine somehow. Under the sun, our eyes connect. Can you hear the love I can't express?
Best Mandayan Dentures with parents, ex-principal sponsors, male sponsor, sports.
In a white dress, dancing so free, you and me, our wedding memories.
A few moments later.
Thank you so much, background music. Okay, ako lang voice band karon. Bahalag Bisaya na ako, basta bagtagalog ko'y. Heto na si Dexter ko, kasama ang magulang nila. Tamang plaster na naman mga karodi. Baka tuntun yan. Susunod si Kimberly as bridesmaid at Kevin as best man. Susunod mga maninay at maninoy. Mga maninay at maninoy ni Tonton at saka si Angel. Simulan na natin at nandito na sila. Sila Ate Jinjin at saka si Auntie Elbit, nandito na sila mga maninay. Saka si Mami Mirna, saka si Lolo Dudoy, si Uncle Ponseng, si Lola Isang, saka si Mami Gingging, saka si Uncle Jiho, maraming pa iba. Wow, ito yung mga kapatid, si Auntie Alon at saka si Auntie Aisa. At asawa ni Uncle nga dyan, si Auntie Bilona, nasa likod ni Ate Margie. Baka plaster yan. Susunod mga brides and grooms, kasama na yung anak ni Angel na si Arian. Ito na pala yung bunso ko, si Early Joy. Sila Ryan, si Chelmy, yung kaibigan ni Chelmy, si Dan, Waning, Potpot at saka si Makoy. Heto na si Uncle William, sila Nanay Nini, si Lola Fita, Kagawad Annalyn, sila Pastor Koy Koy, si Auntie In, saka si Uncle Junjun, si Auntie Totit, maraming pa iba. Susunod naman brides and grooms, kasama ang bisman at saka si bridesmaid. Uunahin silang dalawa, silang Arian. Sa mga solid followers, shoutout mo na si Ryan Otero, saka natin si Dan Joseph Manumba. Eto na pala si Makoy, nandito na sila. Pati rin si Richel Asiro at si Glycia Hiculi. Baka danin Makoy yan. Matik. Grabe, baka formal silang putput at saka si Waning. Susunod ng mga bata, yung Bible, mga ring bearer, mga flower girls, at maraming pa iba. Kinabukasan, ang tatay ni Angel na si Uncle Janito, pati rin si Mami Kayot. Teka lang muna, nasaan ang yung nanay ni Angel? Tamang formal si Uncle Janito Mondiar. Baka Uncle Toto yan. Heto na pala yung anak ni Auntie Ella na si Precious. Okay, simulan na natin. And 1, 2, 3, background music. Pasok!
The camera captures our love, like the whole world is blessing us now. In a white dress, dancing so free, you and me, our wedding memories. Standing with you, a smile so shy, a little nervous, but your eyes shine bright. My heart is filled with words unsaid, so I make a vow inside my head. The camera captures our love, like the whole world is blessing us now. In a white dress, dancing so free, you and me, our wedding memories. Took my time to find the perfect gown. Today's the day I wanna shine somehow. Under the sun, our eyes connect. Can you hear the love I can't express?
Because if you cannot recall 4, I will repeat it. Because this is a very important sermon for you as single and to be one. That is the latest census. The common law or live-in arrangement were increased to 14% of the population. Include, number 1, financial struggle. Financial struggles. Number 2, infidelity or cheating. May pupunta sa ibang bahay. Lack of communication. Hindi naman ma-express ni wife o ni husband na meron namang hurt. Law interference. Meron namang kanang live-in, live-out. So I will suggest the 7 keys that your marriage will last. Soon you will celebrate 10th anniversary, 25th anniversary, and golden anniversary. Ang asawa, mo man yung basahan dito. Isuatan po na ko nga matanak. Kaya pukaw niya mo, pilde siya. Matanak, ganyan-ganyan. Diba? Kana hindi magpadaog ba, may papilde. So ay, ilihan mo si Angel. Magbuhanin mo. Ito kaisa na, nagsakit ko. Na-feel na ko, si Mrs. nag-anak ako. Akas ko. Noon ay positive in my heart. And then last, naka-video. Ato nang i-replay kung nandito na si sister.
Isaad na ko sa iyo, Jill, nga yung mga natok ng pamilya. Tahu kayo mong pasalamat, Jill, nga abot sa iyo lagi. Hindi ko kaya ito na yung nakawalang to, basta tako kayo bubumban ni Jill.
Akong sad ni mo yan nga. Kung sa may maabot sa to ang pagsulay o problema, ikaw na atong pamilya. Huwag malipayan ta hanggang sa hantod. O ang akong saad, kamatayan na yung makaputol sa atong panagigugmaay.
Sustain of our family.
Ay, naku, Kate.
Angel, I give you this ring as a symbol of my power. And with all that I am and all that I have, I honor you in the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit.
This ring as a symbol of my vow, and with all that I am and all that I have, I honor you in the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit.
Sa wakas, nandito na silang ang kulbumongan sa kasihan ti Aba. Naka-cover sa kasal nilang Dexter and Angel. Nandito na silang Geraldine, saka na yung kuya ni Tonton na si Kokoy.
Treasure symbolize mutual financial support. Only to, for your presence, na may mong ninang, dili lang sa inyong regalo. Heard the prayer of this ninong and nina. Heard them, Lord, in behalf of this couple. Bless this couple from this day onward. And managtiayo na so kadining adlaw. Ang akong pagdikla, let no man put asunder. Let us give a round of applause to welcome the new wedded couple, Mr. and Mrs. Dexter Ilarco. Palakpakan. Sige na, Dexter, madugay na rin na nito. Sige. Congratulations!